Channel your modern classic style. Celebrate form, function, and style with one uniform look. The modern lines paired with classic finishes create a traditional appearance with a slight modern flair. Designed to coordinate with a variety of fixtures and furnishings around the home. Holds grocery bags for recycling. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Store your old plastic grocery bags so you can reuse them. This organizer keeps grocery bags together and slides over cabinet doors or drawers to keep bags out of the way yet within easy reach. Easy-to-use bag holder. The sturdy steel frame holds a plastic grocery bag open to hold additional bags, trash, or recycling. Bag handles slip over the brackets, and gravity secures bags in place. Slide the handles off brackets for disposal. Avoid installation. Add extra storage without all the hardware. Padded brackets slide easily over cabinet doors for quick, no-fuss installation. No tools required. Perfect for apartments, rental homes, or RVs. Dimensions care. 9.5 L by 7.25 WX3H. To clean, wipe with a damp cloth and towel dry. Cabinet shelves may obstruct cabinet door from properly closing when item is used. Please measure in advance of purchase. Top reviews from the United States. 3 days ago, I didn't even know this thing existed and now can't imagine life without it. I love being able to throw used K-cups, SOS pads, and other wet trash in here versus having to cradle it in my hands and walk to the kitchen trash can, hoping not to drip anything on the floors along the way. I know, first world problems, right? It hangs low enough to get good clearance when closing the cabinet, which is a complaint that I read in reviews of other similar products. I think I have a standard width cabinet door and it fits perfectly over the top without banging or shifting around. This nifty gadget also helps me make good use of the abundance of grocery bags that accrue at my house. My only wish is that it came in more color options. I would have loved to have it in black to match my cabinet fixtures. Instead, it's a dark bronze color. The difference isn't really noticeable at first glance, but it would have made me even happier. Still, 5 stars either way. My new favorite thing.